Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the evil within DLC using an easy method. To begin, select Casual Difficulty for a more forgiving experience. Prioritize Stealth, as direct confrontations can be quite challenging. Make sure to upgrade your favorite weapons and character abilities early in the game. Also, remember to use environmental traps to your advantage. They are incredibly effective against groups of foes, saving you precious ammunition and health. For the assignment DLC, stealth is your best friend. Conserve your limited ammunition by performing stealth takedowns whenever possible. Your flashlight can temporarily stun enemies, giving you a brief window to escape or reposition. Always take your time to explore every corner. You will find crucial hidden items and valuable upgrades. Avoiding unnecessary engagements will help you preserve your precious health and ammunition for mandatory encounters. In the Consequence DLC, resource management becomes even more critical. Every bullet counts, so aim for headshots with your pistol to maximize damage and conserve ammo. Crafting various bolts for your crossbow, like the shock bolt, is excellent for crowd control and creating openings. Focus on upgrading your health bar early on. Having more hit points will significantly increase your survivability during intense combat sequences and boss battles. For the Executioner DLC, the gameplay shifts to a first-person melee focus. Master your melee attacks and dodges to effectively counter enemy assaults. Look for environmental hazards, such as explosive barrels, to inflict significant damage on groups of enemies. Prioritize upgrading your hammer and armor to enhance both your offensive capabilities and defensive resilience. Identifying and exploiting boss weaknesses will lead to much quicker and easier victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.